Crest magic. Today we're doing a bit of a cardistry tutorial on the card spring, which is a very iconic cardistry move that most magicians know how to do, and I'm going to take it to you today, so let's go.
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me, so I follow.
So this is a tutorial for the card spring. You saw the little performance card spring, I guess. But basically, the grip is all you need to learn, and then the rest is mostly muscle memory. So you're gonna take your right hand, or if you're left-handed, your left hand, and you're gonna put your middle finger on this corner right here, and your thumb on this corner. So you have it on the opposite corners where the two pips are. And then you're gonna also have your index on, like, right next to your middle finger. And what you should do when you're starting out is just practice beveling the deck. You want to be able to bevel the deck like this, just with those three fingers. Honestly, just with these two fingers. You don't really need your index, but it's important. So once you have this grip and you learn how to bevel it, you just want to try and let go of a card, like a card or two. Try and control when the cards are falling out of your hand. Okay, so I'll do an overhead view, but you want to have your grip like this, and you just want to practice your thumb. See how it's at this angle right here? You want to have it so that it's flat at the end. So you're going to have it like this, and it's going to flatten out, letting those cards come out. It's going to take a long time it's going to take a lot of muscle memory and just practicing in order to get it so that it's a straight line like that. And we'll talk about length and whatever. But you wanna just practice over and over again, just letting one card out at a time. Because if you can control one card, then you can go a lot faster, and it looks really good. What I like to do with these kinds of things is show you with my other hand, with my left hand, one that I haven't practiced with, just to see what yours is probably looking like. You just that was a pretty good one. It could have been faster, but it's gonna come out in little spurts. It's probably gonna be like that, and then yeah, like that. And you just want to really practice that grip right here, and practice beveling it and letting the card go. And then you can just practice getting it nice and steady. Then you can practice going really far away like that. So let's do the overhead view now. Okay, so this is the overhead view. What you're gonna do is take your deck, and it'll bevel the deck a little bit, as I said, but you just to reverse that, go the opposite way every now and then when you're practicing the spring. So what you're gonna do is put your middle finger on this corner, your thumb on this corner, right here, and that's not really good. And then you're going to use your index as well, and bevel the cards. And I didn't talk about it, but you want to have this hand in almost like a straddle grip, where the card's not there. So kind of like a straddle grip like this, but with the cards not there, so that it can fall into that little net, and they don't move around. See how they're mostly square. So you're gonna put a lot of pressure, and just watch my thumb. Just watch my thumb as it flattens out, just like that. And that's my grip when I'm done. So you wanna really practice this beveling, because this will take a lot of time. When I first practiced this, it took me about a month. My thumb's hurting already just doing it slow and a lot of times. So you really want to practice that strength part and getting it nice and straight, just like this. Next, about just length. You don't want to start right here because see, like, okay, that was a bad example. I was really bad. But you don't want to start like out here because you're not as accurate normally. So when you're starting out, you want to start right here and then gradually go out like this until you until you do all the cards that way. Break my thumbs going. So once you have that grip down, you're basically good. In some of the performances, it may have looked like I did a little bit of, like I went like really long, but I'll show you a hand movement right now. Okay, so the hand movement for that is, all I'm doing is going like really low and then coming up, and went with more length, and far away it looks like I'm doing it a lot more than I actually am. So basically I'm only getting like this far away and then I come back. So, oh, another thing that I didn't mention, when you start back here and then come out, you want to come back in as well, because the air, like if I just stayed right here, see how it gets a little bit messy because you're far away and air is a thing. So you want to have it so you want to like move your arms this way, start the spring, and then just like move across. But when you do it really fast with a lot of length, it looks really cool. So, dropping a lot of cards. That's basically it for the card spring tutorial. It's not really hard. The only hard part is your thumb, which mine really hurts right now, and yours probably will too if you're practicing the spring. But once you have it down and it's just like second nature to just do it. I mean, you probably see me fidgeting with cards a lot in my videos, and I do the spring sometimes. I dribble, I do a lot of things. I didn't realize how much I fidget with cards until I'm editing. But you want to just keep practicing, and your spectators and people watching you, I mean, they can't do this, and the people that can't, the people that they say that they can, like that's easy or whatever, talking down on your card spring, how dare they? Just tell them to try, and then they're gonna be like, whoa. Anyway, yeah, that's all for the this cardistry tutorial. I hope you like it, and also wanted to show you some pictures that I took of these cards, the red gator backs, which I'll put in the description. Peace out.